Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change wallet's name in the Smart Wallet application. To do so, first of all, open the Smart Wallet app and make sure that you're logged in. After you're inside the home page, tap on the settings button at the bottom right corner. Tap on My Wallets at the top to open up your wallet list. Select one of the wallets and tap on the little arrow facing towards the right corner and go to the first tab where you can erase your name and write down the new name for your wallet. After you are done, click on Save Name and there you have a new wallet name for your smart wallet. Go back to the dashboard to ensure that you have changed the name of your wallet as well. So that is how it's done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.